Hello, Jan Edmondson. So I am pouring a star today. I'm actually going to re-pour a star I did earlier today that I didn't really like how it came out because the middle part looks a little odd. So I'm just going to re-pour the whole thing, even though there's some great textures in here and I love these. But the middle part, I just couldn't really fix. So we're just going to go and re-pour it. I'm going to do the pinks again. I am using Anita's all-purpose acrylic in Royal Fuchsia, and I'm using the Martha Stewart brand in Camellia Pink. That's this one. And then I am also using Martha Stewart in Sugar Cube Glitter. I love this one. You'll notice that this one's actually a little bit pinker than this because I stirred this up with the Floetrol, and then I immediately went and stirred this so that it would have a little more pink to it. Okay, ignore these over here. So my mixture is about 1 part paint, 4 parts Floetrol, because I'm really trying to get it runny so that I can blow it really well and get this cool webbing. And then finally with the white, Flow Acrylic in white. It's really the best white that I have found to work for this process. And then as far as tools, a straw, and I use the big shake straws, the larger ones. They do a much better job, I think, blowing and getting the effects that I want. But test it out with what you have. So we will get started. All right, so I'm just gonna do a puddle pour right in the middle. I usually start dark to light. Okay, I gotta get this. I usually start dark to light, but you guys can do whatever you like, test out different things. I actually, in one that I did previously, I did dark, light, and then another dark, and that really looked cool, so I think maybe I'll try that here too. A little bit of the light pink, the glitter. I love the glitter. I'll pile that on. I'll do a little bit of the dark just to give some contrast, and then a teeny drop of white. There is no silicone in any of these. Just do a small drop of white. It really overtakes pretty quickly, so you don't need that much. All right. So this is, just Floetrol, no silicone. You can try it with silicone if you like, but I find I don't really need it. All right. I'm gonna just blow out a little bit so I can get some room, and then let's go. All right, nice, came out good. Don't overblow. Do the initial blow and then let it just sit for a minute, and that's when you'll really see the webbing kind of start to happen. So you always need to give it a minute for that to happen. And yeah, it looks really, really good. Let's just leave it there for another quick second, and then I'll take you down to look at it. Cool. I mean, that webbing looks really, really nice. And I can hear my son watching cartoons in the background. It's Sunday morning. So, cartoons. Yeah, I mean, that just looks really pretty. That's exactly what I want. I did these on plaster stars that I got from AC Moore. And what you'll find with those is that it dries quickly because the plaster absorbs the liquid, and I love that. So dries really quickly. You can kind of see what it looks like when it's dry. I mean, look at that. How cool is that? It looks great. Yeah, I'm really happy with this one. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope that you get a chance to try the technique and show me what you do. Have a good one.